I started the week by sowing French beans for the 100th time. So that was my first job before we moved to starting the shed that we're building. This is Sam. Honestly, how am I supposed to grow anything in this weather? This is July. How am I going to grow anything? And the next day, we wake up to this. More rain. Sometimes the greenhouse can be a bit overwhelming when the tomatoes are like this, because you don't even know where to start. Even if I want to trim the leaves, sometimes it's just, yeah, it can be a bit overwhelming. I love seeing it like this, but still, sometimes it's a bit much. And no matter how I do it, I seem to end up with exactly the same results. I actually thought this year I would have more room because I've put less tomatoes than last year, but still. The nasturtium has taken off a part of the plot, and to think it's self-seeded, it's really enjoying being here. I think I might need to cut it down a bit just to make room for the corn. Today I'm just outside the greenhouse, and I'm just going to clear the tomatoes a little bit, give them a bit more room, because I can see the weeds are creeping in very quickly. So I'm just going to clear them up and tidy the place, and then maybe that will help them to catch up with the, well, not catch up, but yeah, see what we can get something from them. I'm very happy with the grapes this year. It's amazing how well this plant is doing. I'm surprised at how well it's doing. I can't wait. I can see I've got my first tomato that's ready to pick. And oh, actually not the first one. I've got 2 tomatoes that are ready to pick. So I've got the two here. So I've got 2 tigrellas and one of my favorite. It's a beef tomato. I'm very excited. Very excited. I think I'll leave the beef tomato until tomorrow. I'll give it one more day. But the other ones, I'm definitely taking them home today. No, maybe one. I'll take one today. Ooh, exciting. Picked my first beetroot today. It looks lovely and big. I'm excited. It was touch and go there for a bit, but we've got something. This is the corn that I planted first, and it seems to be doing well. It's got tassels on top now, and I can see baby corn. But this is the only one with baby corn, I think. Well, for now anyway. I can see another one here with tassels. No corn. Oh, they are forming. Comfrey is back again. I think I'll come back in the next couple of days to cut it down again. And my potatoes. Wow, they've done very well. I think these ones will be ready to pick soon. Oh, actually I think they are ready to pick. I'll dig up a few tomorrow to see if they're ready. But I think I should be able to get quite a lot of potatoes from here, I think. These are all the peas plants I have this year. I really can't complain with the peas because I'm not very good with peas, so I suppose this is a win for me. It's not much, but it's something. We've had an accident and our water has been stopped because there was a leak somewhere. So they've had to turn off the taps, so we don't have any water. Don't know for how long, but we definitely need water now. Can't believe I'm crying for rain, but we need it because it's now really hot, and without water I don't think I've got enough water bus to keep me going. We'll see how far we can go without water, but without running water, it's not looking good without running water. I'm just beginning to realize that I'm a very messy gardener. I have leaves everywhere and I feel bad just pulling them out. I know I'm supposed to, but I just feel like every little thing is doing something and I feel bad pulling it out. I know I have to, but for now I'll leave it. So today I'm picking some of the tomatoes that I left. There's one in here. Oof, I can get to it. Okay. I think I'll have to twist to pull it out. Yep, definitely ready. And I have another one in here in this greenhouse that's ready to pick as well. It's right at the back. I'm not really sure if this is a polished tomato. Like I said earlier, I'm a very messy gardener. I always forget to put the labels. Well, I try, but somehow I end up losing them. So these are the 2 tomatoes I've picked today. Ooh, not good. Not good at all. But at least something nice and fresh. Today is going to be the first time I'm picking pumpkin leaves. So I'm really excited about pumpkin leaves. This is one of my favorite things that I plant. This is what I've managed to pick. That should be enough because the whole family loves pumpkin leaves, so that's enough for the 4 of us.